looks like. As you can see, oh, it looks amazing. So I'm gonna taste it. Look at all this goodness. So let's taste it. Oh, it's not even cutting. So the pineapple has caramelized. Trying to remove the bone thingy. So here is everything together. Let's see. It's really good. Our chicken has been chopped up. As you can see, it has been cleaned. It's been washed off the gunk. Now we're gonna season it. I wanna buy a seasoning thingy. You should pray for me. Look at how I arrange my spices. I need prayers to buy the spice shakers so that I can save on space, because this one is taking a lot of space. So obviously we're gonna go with the fireball. We're gonna go with a little bit of Spanish paprika. We're not gonna put that one. We're gonna put onion powder. We're gonna put the garlic powder, and we're gonna put a little bit of mixed herbs. So I think that's enough, and we're gonna put salt as well. Don't forget your salt, yeah. And here it is. So let's start putting our seasonings together. So this one is sometimes I usually just season last minute, because we just bought this chicken and we are hungry. So yes, we can't wait. Oh, my paprika is finished. Let me put this one first. I don't know why the garlic powder and the onion powder always stick like together like this. And then we're gonna put our onion powder. You have to break it up. And our fireball. This is the easiest recipe of chicken you will get from the internet. Like, it doesn't require much energy, and yet you get the best results all the time. Okay, that is enough. Sometimes I go crazy with my fireball. Now we're gonna mix it up. First, we're gonna add a little bit of the cooking oil. That is like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna be back when I'm done mixing. So now we're gonna start cooking the chicken. So I've done a review of these spots. If you want to see that, I'll be putting, it will be available by the time I'm uploading this one for the chicken. So you should watch that one as well. So we want it to be hot, yeah. We are searing the chicken first. So we need it hot, like hot. And yeah, you can feel it, you can hear it. Oh, don't know why, but I'm enjoying these pots that I got. So we put one at a time because we want to arrange them in the pan. Can you hear the stir? That's what we want. a big chicken, this one, so now we let it sear like that for a while, yeah, so that they can become brown and then we'll turn. So it's been searing for a while, so I'm gonna cover it with this. There's the wing snack. Look at how pretty that pot is. Amazing. So I'm back. So it's been cooking for a while now. They're looking good. Let me give you a closer. This is how it looks. So we're gonna cover again, and we're gonna let the other side become brown as well. And back again. So now I wanted some of this chicken to have pineapples, so I'm gonna remove this from the fire and then I'm gonna put some on the pot with pineapples. So here are our pineapples. We're gonna let them cook. Yeah, then we're gonna add our chicken in there. Our pineapple has been simmering and it's smelling actually pretty good. So we're gonna put some of our chicken pieces today in here. I think that's enough. We are gonna let them cook together for a little bit. Our chicken is done. Looks amazing, so I'm gonna taste it. Look at all this goodness. So let's taste it. Oh, it's not even cutting. So the pineapple has caramelized. Trying to remove the bone thingy. So here is everything together. Let's see. It's really good. Raymond is looking at me. No, it's good. I finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.